Alright, running the sewer line 4928 Glendale Street. Front clean out. The only underground plumbing. I'm going to run the clean out backwards towards the house where the PVC above ground ties in, and then out to the city. Alright, going towards the house in the two-way clean out. Original cast iron pipe, 4-inch sewer. This is where the PVC ties in above ground. It's the original sewer line they capped off right there, but tied in the new PVC above ground to this section right here. And now we're going to go towards the city. Original cast iron. Pipe's a little level, holds about a quarter pipe of water, all the way till we get to the 6-inch city clean out.